Hey, good evening. We kind of have a little bit of a different camp tonight. I am out at Two Rivers State Park. I've been here before a few times, but we're just doing kind of an evening camp, and I wanted to show you the new roof rack, go over that a little bit. Just have a good fire by the river. One of the really cool things, I wasn't anticipating this, the sky is completely clear. The astrophotography and watching some planes come in and stuff, it should be a good camp, should be fun. But we're gonna get solo stove set up and get a fire going and warm it up a little bit. The heater's going in here, it's pretty chilly out tonight. Should be a good night for a fire though. We're out at Two Rivers. I'm gonna get the awning set up on the roof rack. I wanna see how that assembly goes, and it'll be really cool to have an awning with a fire underneath it. I thought would be kind of a cool little spot. So we're gonna try and get that set up. It is a little breezy and the wind coming off the river. I've got the Platte River right out my side door here. We're gonna bundle up, get a little headlamp action going, and get camp set up. I'm excited. It's good to be out. We have the lanterns. Let's go get these set up. You can do, look at that, little flame theme there. But let's go get some light set up around camp. Geared up. This, and then, let's grab our, just another layer. This jacket, I think it makes me look a touch homeless. It's like the perfect weight, and it blocks a little wind too. It's just one of those essential items. Man, it's pretty out tonight. The sky is just popping. Get these well, you can definitely tell the one that I put fresh batteries in. These other three need to get rejuvenated a little bit here. Camp isn't looking too bad over there. And right here to my left, you can't see it, but this is the Platte River. Our next step is, let's turn this on. There we go, much better. Our next step is some solo stove, and I think let's get a fire going right away. I know you folks can't see it right now. Stars tonight are absolutely incredible. This is going to be some cool astrophotography. The fire looks like it's going to take. Should be doing pretty good. I have a 12-foot Ozark Trail awning. I'm going to attach to that and run out here and have that over us tonight for a little bit of extra shelter. See how that works with the new rack. I'm excited to give it a shot. Before we do anything else, we have one small important detail. We aren't registered yet. I couldn't find an iron box up at the front entrance, so I'm going to get online real quick and see if I can just pay for this online. It didn't look like they had a self-register thing, and it seemed like I had done that before. I've gotten here after hours, but I didn't see one, so we're going to get online here real quick. Well, before I get that awning put up, let's get to the Game and Parks website, don't you think? I just tried to go through the whole website. You can't like reserve it online, so I don't know, if I didn't see the iron box or not. Hopefully we'll get them paid in the morning, I guess. I just want to get the knock, and just don't want anybody to have to bother anyone over this, just we'll get it squared away when it's time. The van is really nice and toasty warm, and I don't even have the curtains drawn. It's showing 69 in here right now. That heater just works wonderful in this small little area. We will stay warm this winter if we have power. Even if we don't have power, I've got that buddy heater ready for an exciting season of camping. Let's get that awning put on. All right, we just got to slide a couple things around here. I used to keep it in the back because I didn't use it that much, and I think I'm going to be using it quite a bit more having this rack now. So I moved it up to the front, easier to grab, should be easier to deploy. It's all right here. We'll see how this goes. It's always tough, and I am doing it over the fire too. Maybe that wasn't the smartest thing. We got the fire going right there. It's nice, it's kind of bouncing some heat back down. That's really kind of cool. There was a couple of side straps, but I guess there's not. But we are set up. As you can see, we've got some beautiful, beautiful light here. Got the camera set up over here to the left. Let's walk over there real quick and check this out. It's a really nice night out tonight. Here's the camera, and check out this last picture here. Real time. Camp is set up. Oh, as you can tell, took down the awning already. It is, and my wife said I can only say this one time, it's incredibly windy, and it was just flapping, making too much noise. And I think if we were getting some snow or some rain or something, I would have left it up. But being a clear bluebird night, just wasn't worth it. I've taken it down already. Super easy to deploy, super easy to pack away, so I'm very happy with that. I'm going to enjoy the fire here a little bit, and 100% I'm going to be doing some night photography. If I come up with anything or see anything cool here, we'll bring you back in. Beautiful out. Good morning from camp. These curtains have just been the bomb, and it's such a simple little thing. Like I said, good morning. Slept absolutely incredible last night, really well. It is chilly outside, and I didn't realize it was going to be this cold, but I'm right on the river here too. But it's 18 degrees for an actual temperature, and the feels like is 7. So it's a little chilly out there. It's 68 in here right now, so it's pretty dang warm. The little heater's doing great. Like I was saying, these curtains here, I'm really impressed. They're from Walmart. They were 15 bucks. They fit absolutely perfectly in this space, and I just did a shower curtain tension rod up there, and it's so nice. I didn't have to put all the stuff up in the front windows, and it kept that warm just with these keeping that front end shut off. And it makes it really, really easy to set up camp and just be in camp. Just slide those two things. We have a beautiful sunrise coming up. It's good to be up early this morning and moving. I have a couple of bummers. Water. So I forgot. I didn't even go, because I wasn't cooking dinner last night, so I didn't fill up my water jug and all that. I can't brush my teeth, and I can't make any coffee. So I'm really bummed. I was going to make some coffee this morning in camp. But no, sir. Let's get outside here for a minute. I'm going to get bundled up. I got my jacket out still. Let's talk about, and I just wanted to show you the roof rack real quick. We're back to needing the big coat. Well, our view this morning. A lot of folks pay a lot of money to wake up next to a river. We are here. Had a great fire last night, and if we're lucky, we'll to hear the sound of Nebraska in November. The sound of the duck hunters whacking stuff across the river. So here's my roof rack that's completed and ready to go. Basically, all I did was add a roof deck for now. I did leave the front two open, and I did that on purpose. I didn't feel like I needed the deck all the way up. I did 8-foot cedar decking on the top up there. But up here, I have the option. I can do solar down the road. That deck is by Topper. It was a brand I saw. I just saw a guy driving a Ram ProMaster down the road. Looked on top and could see. Every roof deck that I've been looking at were super expensive. You're over $2,000 just to get a elevated platform on top of your van, which I thought was ridiculous. This one, all told, they do hit you with shipping, and it was like a freight charge even. Like, I think for the rack itself, total, it ended up being, close to $800. And then I just did the cedar decking, and that was 10 boards at $10 a piece. That was another $100. But that's pretty much all I have in it. I did a Thompson's water seal up there. Oh, and right now I'll drop in some build videos and what I went through to get this thing all put together. Getting close. 2 more boards to do. Get these dialed in, and we will be ready to water seal and put on the roof. Well, feels pretty solid to me. Oh yeah, this is cool. Getting down is going to be tough. All right, we made it. Made it to the roof. Dave and Mike, thank you. We are live. This is tall up here. It's crazy tall. But I am really, really happy with how it turned out. I did Plasti Dip. It was a galvanized steel rack, and I did Plasti Dip on it to turn it into a black rack. It's got a little scuffs and all that from the build in my garage, and I'll get all that touched up here in a little bit. Need a little bit warmer day for the paint to adhere. But I painted it all black. It came as a silver rack and saved quite a bit of money. 1/3 of the cost of what some of those designer van racks are going for. Well, this has been a great camp. Good place to wake up in camp this morning, so I'll take it. I wish I had a cup of coffee in my hand. Ridiculous. I usually have a bottle of water floating around in there, and that was gone. I used that for the dogs the other day, so we're gonna have to adapt and overcome. Just got a couple things to get picked up. We're gonna get on the road. We are moving and grooving. I forgot, I gotta go get registered. We are the Banditos right now. So we're gonna go 8 o'clock, it's 8:02. All right, so the front desk is supposed to open at 8 a.m. And there's more to this story. We gotta get paid up, so don't get in trouble, get kicked out of our park service deal here. We are in 154 right here on the river. Hold on, let me show you this. Driving through the campground here. I am in Cottonwood Campground of Two Rivers. This is the last one on the river right here. Really nice campground. I'd consider it my home campground. Home base. We are official. We have paid up. We are not a bandito anymore. Get our seatbelt on and get rolling here. It is a beautiful morning now, my goodness. All right, now we can officially say our goodbyes. If you guys did see, I dropped a little short and a short video yesterday of, we have an announcement with the meet and greet coming up. Thought it'd be kind of fun. We'll see if anybody responds. It's all good. It's a holiday weekend with a lot going on, but we have the Colorado boys grouped together doing a little tailgating, and I thought, hey, why not invite Van Camp 402 for that? I'm feeling like could I be Santa this year? I should have went as Santa for Halloween. So anyway, November 24th, 8 in the morning till 10:30 in the morning before the game. If you want to swing on by in Lincoln, Nebraska, shoot me an email at vancamp402@gmail.com, and I will get you, as my son would say, the deets. All right, folks, everybody take care. Have a great weekend. I will see you guys in a few days. 'Tis the season to be camping. Get outside.